Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JC Honey and we're back at it again with another motherfucking video. Hey, if you're new, welcome. Hey, what's up? This is JC Honey. Why did I even fucking doubt myself by saying that? Like, I should know my own fucking name by now. Like, I do fucking advertise it. I'm really bored in the morning and I decided to do some home style DIY hair bangs. And that, my friends, is what we here. Okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly how I feel about them, but people were digging it, and low-key, I took some bomb pics or whatever for my birthday. I'll post them here. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so this is what I'm dealing with, and this right here, guys, is my hair. I did some hair extensions. Again, I said I wasn't going to, but then again, I did it anyways because I'm a fucking idiot. And an idiot doesn't learn until shit happens, and that's basically me right now. Shit happened. I'm learning. I'm living, and I'm surviving. Okay, so we're gonna do what it do, work what it work, and we're gonna go from this. Should I do it a little bit more uglier? I'm just kidding. I'm going from this to, see what I mean? We'll get there eventually, but basically what you're gonna be needing is a hair straightener, and I'm using the Remington Anti-Freeze Therapy freaking straightener. I don't know, but it looks something like this. Okay, sorry, I suck at these videos, so if you guys see me trying, bitch, I'm really fucking trying. I also have the same brand, Remington, and it's just a wand, like so. Cord, it has a cord. I'm also gonna be using some handy dandy old school rave, because you know I'm a fucking Latina, and you know we fucking like this because it smells fucking bomb. Okay, I'm also gonna be using some fucking dry hair shampoo. You can use whatever kind. I'm personally not gonna post this brand in here just because, like, honestly, this is my last like resort. My other one I can't find it because it's at Ulta and I gotta order it online. So yeah, I'm also gonna be using some of these names I just don't, whatever, but this, whatever, it is like a heat protectant for your hair, and it's silk therapy, whatever. And you guys may or may not laugh at this, but honestly I find this to be fucking useful and helpful, especially because, like, when you have hair extensions and you have like hair, you're not supposed to be washing your hair every day, so like every other day. And my hair, I just like to have it like nice and, like, you know, like kind of like dewy in like on my bang area, you know, like not like oily but not like super matte either, like just, you know, just enough where it's like, yes bitch, it's still live even though it's gone through some shit like I just did. But yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna be using. I do have a hairbrush. I think I just lost it though, but let me go grab it. Okay guys, so whatever brush you guys want to use, you guys can go ahead and use that, but that's what I'm gonna be using. And I don't know how much of that you guys are able to fucking understand, just because I had to cut some of that shit off due to some music that was playing in the background. Copyright fucking shit, you know what I mean? But like I said, we're gonna be doing my fucking hair. We're gonna work what it work, we're gonna do what it do, and yeah, let's figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. So let's take it out of the fucking mess it's at. And guys, I have a fucking mane, bro. Like y'all thought that was bad? No, just wait until all this is bad. Like, I haven't combed them out since I washed them. Like, I just let my hair dry and just, so this is gonna be a situation. It's gonna be a situation. Okay, so you're gonna part your hair in twos just like if you were doing a French braid, like so. Obviously, you're not gonna be able to go all the way to the back because you have your hair extensions, but just try to be as cautious as possible. And this is where, okay, so I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I'm gonna mention it here just in case. But you guys may or may not laugh at this, but I found this at the dollar store and it's fucking convenient for me. It does what it does for it. It's fucking amazing. And it's a fucking hairbrush comb with a bottle, meaning you watch, just watch. Oh, hold on, just watch. Oh, hold on, just watch. Damn it, just watch. Right, guys? And this is perfect. And it comes right through. See what I mean? Amazing. Dollar store hook you up. So right now what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna comb through my hair like so. Well, don't do it too rough, guys. But I'm just basically gonna comb through the hair. And honestly, I haven't even tried blending the hair in. And I'm probably not going to, just because I don't know how long I'm gonna keep the hair extensions in for. Just because, like I said, I like to change my hair. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to wet this up so it's, so that I can, what is called, manipulate where I want it to lay and where I want it to stay, basically. So this is what my hair looks like. See? It's all right. But like I said, we're gonna try to get this done, okay? So after I'm done putting water on my hair and combing it out, basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the hair dry shampoo and start doing the first areas that you see, like so. Like so. Just gonna grab this and spray it in there just so I can keep it fresh. You can tell where my extensions are at. And basically, I'm just making sure my hair doesn't look oily. It doesn't look like it's been through some shit, you know, even though it hasn't. Just my hair is really oily. Okay. After that's gonna piss me off. Oh. Have you ever had an itch like right there where your nose ring is at, and people just assume you're scratching your nose, but it's not like your nose, it's like your nose ring, it's like tugging on something? That's what that was, guys. Okay, so once I do the hair dry shampoo on my hair, I then go with the heat protectant, just because we're gonna start using heat on the hair, okay? And I'm just gonna grab like a little small amount, and a small amount goes everywhere. I mainly want to focus on the ends of my real hair, just because like I'm trying to take care of my actual hair. So I'm gonna do it there, and then I'm gonna focus on the rest of the weave, which is just basically length, what I did. So we're gonna go like that, like so. Now that it's looking luscious, nice, and like it's been washed, it's, you know, it's at my bangs. Excuse the bangs. The bangs are drying. We're gonna get to those eventually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start curling my hair. And like I said, we're gonna be using the Remington wand, and I'm gonna be curling. Let's start with the back. And I'm just gonna grab random sections of my hair, and I'm just gonna curl. And honestly, I don't care if they're like curled super good or super bad, as long as it looks kind of like it's waved out beach kind of thing, you know. We're just gonna let it hang, let it hang. And we're just going to be repeating this throughout the whole hair. And once I'm done with both sides, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product, because honestly, if I sit here and record the whole entire process of me curling my hair right now, exactly that, thanks to my live audience, aka Nathaniel in the background. Once you've curled your whole entire head, right? I think I'm missing some pieces back here. I can kind of sense that I am. Okay, once you have your hair curled like so, see what I mean? Right? What you're gonna do is, see the bottom pieces where it's starting to, like, you can tell where my hair natural is at. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to grab a hair extension and I'm gonna try to wave it in to where that extension's at, so it doesn't peek through. See? And we're gonna do the same thing with this bottom hair. We're just gonna curl it, see? Like so, okay? Now to get to the hair bang situation, it's already dry, well, semi-dry, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna section it off by sections. So this is the top part section. This needs hair dry shampoo, okay? Bottom section is the one we're gonna need it to poof. So we're gonna put some in there, okay? And we left a little bottom layer. Well, it was a bottom layer, a little small layer, just because I don't like to really fuck with those, just because those will flow in its natural habitat. So I don't really fuck with those, and I don't put hair oil, not hair oils, but I already put some. It already had heat protecting, but I put a little bit, just a tiny bit, not too much, because I don't like my hair bangs to be super oily, but like I said, I don't want them to be super matte either. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our hair straightener, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the hair dry shampoo, except we're gonna do it with a hair straightener. And yeah, okay, so it's easier done than said, I guess, at this point. So we're gonna grab the first layer, we're gonna straighten it up, and then we're gonna curl, okay? And by the way, I'm at 390 degrees on my Remington straightener, and we're gonna do the same thing with the first and second layer. Straighten up and then down, okay? Okay, now you're just gonna comb it through with your comb. See where the bangs land and where they stand at, what needs to be corrected, what needs to be straightened, what needs to be cut, trimmed, you know what I mean? We're gonna curl this up a little bit so it blends in. And we're gonna do the same thing right here. We're just creating a little wave so it doesn't look like it's such a blunt cut. Oh. Okay. See how that naturally just blends in. You could curl it with your curling iron, but I just like the way it gives it like a little poof to it, you know? So see how the hair is coming this way because it wants to be laying that way. We're gonna manipulate that and do the thing again, okay? Okay, once that's done, comb it, bump it up. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to put my hair to the back at all times. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. little thing is leaking. Okay, and I think this side needs to be straightened up a little bit more because you can tell it's not as bumpy as the other one. That's the other side. And when I mean bump, I mean like this little thing. Okay. And then okay, after this, after my bang situation is kind of like there, you know, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with the hairspray and just fucking kill any fucking bacteria that wants to be around me. It's gonna get killed by hairspray. So basically, that's basically all that I do to my hair. If I want to do a little bit extra and I want my hair to look a little bit big and a little bit poofy, I'll grab some hair and I'll just, you know, add a little bit more of a oomph to it, like so. And if I feel like my hair is too, there's not enough poof up here, I'll just tease it and then blend it in. And I'll do the same thing to the side so it looks the same. And then I just blend it in. Okay? And if I really wanted to be extra, I can do hair clips, hair pins on my hair, and, you know, make it look, you know, just look. But this is my hair. Let me know if you guys like my bangs. I feel like I promise they're even. I just don't know why they don't want to lay the way they were laying yesterday. Let me fix this because this is pissing me off now. There we go. But I hope you guys like my new hairstyle. It's something different, something definitely fucking bold for me because I don't usually do these type of hair bangs. I'm more of a girly girl, like trying to cover my like imperfection, aka my front forehead. But this was a little bit more like on the gothic e-girl, you know, type of vibe, which like I've been digging a lot more lately. And honestly, I'm kind of digging it. People around me are digging it. I don't know if you're digging it, but if you're digging it, like this video. And if you don't, leave a comment down below and let me know you don't like it, okay? Shit, I might not even have the same hairstyle my next video. I'm just kidding. I might because it's quarantine time and I'm here. And I don't know why I talk a lot with my hands, by the way. But thank you guys for watching my video. You guys are all MVPs. Like I said, I'm very like freaking thankful and appreciative that you guys are actually taking some time and actually looking at my channel and looking at my videos. And honestly, it means a lot that you guys are actually subscribing. So thank you for that. I'll see you guys on my next video. I don't want to make this too long, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time, I meant to say.